This is the GROHE Chilled Sparkling faucet. The handle, as you rotate it from the off position, first position blue, it's just filtered chilled water. Position 2, turquoise, is medium carbonated. And position 3, which is green, is full carbonation. When you turn the handle to the off position, there will be a slight delay on the shutoff. Now, if the handle flashes orange, that tells you it's time to replace the filter. And to do that, you need to go below the sink, which is what we're going to do next. To replace the filter, it's as simple as unthreading the filter itself from the head part. Now, the filter unthreads, standard thread, counterclockwise. Simple as that. And then just with the new filter, thread it back in place. Hand tight is good. There we go. And then we have to reset the countdown. In the window here, it would read E8, meaning that the filter is empty. We're doing it a little early, but to reset the countdown, you simply press and hold the left button until the RF will flash. Release, press again, hold, release, and we're back to 99, counting down.